Delhi-based SaaS investment platform has raised $3.8 million from global investors. Marquee Equity is based in Delhi NCR and has received investment from over half a dozen investors, and the key investors are Capital One, Signal Fire, Arrowroot Capital, TTV Capital, Castanova Capital and Raptor Group. Bangalore-based online tutoring startup Vedantu has acquired an edtech startup for an undisclosed amount. InstaSolve is a doubt-solving platform. SEBI has instructed companies trying to raise funds through IPO to sell through cryptocurrency. Mumbai-based sports tech startup Dream Sports is planning to raise a fresh fund of $300 million from Abu Dhabi's Alpha Wave Incubation managed by Falcon Edge. Dream Sports is the parent company of Dream11. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has said that the Indian tech companies that choose to list on overseas stock exchanges would not be listed as companies in India. Kinara Capital has secured $10 million in funding from IndusLand Bank. It received a 100% guarantee from the US International Development Finance Corporation. Jio Platforms will finance up to $200 million in domestic venture capital fund Kalari Capital. Short video content platform Bolo India has launched live streaming feature to monetize the content for creators. The platform is called Bolo Live. The content creators will get paid by the users using gamification. Maharashtra will be setting up a large incubation center for startups near the financial capital soon to give a boost to new age enterprises. Twitter recently held talks to acquire Indian social media startup ShareChat as the company explored ways to expand its presence in the world's second largest internet market and build a global rival to TikTok. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you for watching. We have over 400 MSME shows and startups on our YouTube channel. Do check out. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook and Koo. You can also visit our website www.mystartuptv.in for exclusive interviews and programs. Thanks for joining.